Where the 43-year-old Limpopo police officer arrested for allegedly orchestrating the murders of 6 people to secure insurance claims payouts has made her first appearance. And Zola Sholwana is in court and joins us now with the very latest. Zola, good morning. Again, it was a brief appearance as matters postponed until later in October. Just bring us up to speed.
Well, yes, indeed, Iman, you might have seen that today's proceedings literally took less than 15 minutes, and we were told that there has to be further investigations that have to be conducted by the police that are working on this case, and they also have to profile the 43-year-old or the accused at this point. They need to, do work such as verifying her address. But what I can tell you is that what we saw in court from some of the families of the victims who were allegedly killed by this police officer, most of them expressed shock, because they say that she appeared as someone that was kind and cared for those that were, vulnerable, people living with disability, and those that were coming from disadvantaged families. They're actually quite shocked that she is alleged to be behind their murders from the year 2019 until 2024. We are joined by one of the victim's sister, who's going to be telling us about this particular sergeant who came into her household as someone that wanted or had an interest in looking after their family. Today, Sergeant Atlagela Koto, most people, including yourself, Lenelisa Kholi Khore, Motoke Motona, Onatlako, Kontlung how and Alfadi Grocery, taking care of your brother.
Yeah, like Kitlaring. Some of them go after Lukula Sydney, Hala really sharp, snapped, but ever since Mabane, who find out to Sister Rachel again, I didn't let it go. Ertergam home, even Lenugura, I said you believe. Maybe it will believe Mutanga Gablelore. Umulaile Joang, Ubulaile Kebu Mangu, dearly, maybe gonna retire to more believer, but as for no, Rabano got like it, just like a dream, Kure Arte, Pedewa Halarnale. Friendship le no course the Rachel ne re motja is a female.
Sydney o tlhokofetse neng and o tlhokofetse yang?
O tlhokofetse ka 2019 o tlhokofala ngwaga o timeleje then ramnyaka ra semkare ba re le batlo mokhumana le ko moshareng.
Ha ba mokhumana ko moshareng ba re gwetsagetseng o tlhokofetse ba molaile yang?
A re ka story ba molaile jang cause ma batho ba forensic ba tlhalositse gore ba mokhumane a le ko metsing.
So ke a tlhaloganya gore butwa hao ene le motho o phelang le disability ke ngona tsamaya ka wheelchair
na se tsamaya ka wheelchair na tsamaya ka moto but a sa khone tsamaya botsa sa bolele le tsogola ga menone mengwe khale se gone.
So o ikutlule yang after maobane understanding that abutwa hao tlhokofetse ka 2019 o sa tsebe gore bolailwe keng and then maobane motho o no tseba ile motho o ileng gore she's a caregiver to abutwa hao bare they are accusing her of killing abutwa hao.
It's good like I sent her but even for Leno ke bona like I sent her but even Leno like level like no go accept like Sister Rachel ka ra batho ba kika mo like Sister Rachel ga le rena le friendship le bana ba ga even Leno go re actor tshwantse ke level le ngwana ke mo level le jwang gore ke reng ko yena cause ga le re phitishana botse re sena mathanda.
Nakwe go abutwa ha a tlhokafala o patilwe ke mang lefula ha le dirilwe ke mang?
Ke no re o tla take over then o tla mmoloka so by that time o jere advantage or go family yabo cousin ka khale ba sena chalete ne ba sa di destroyed ga botse so ba re sana gane selo so re thomile o fila ka mkhomwe like Sunday ya bolokile Saturday no mmolokile botse then a bolela gore khala mo joinistim ko maphodiseng o to modela le suka like ra thoma makala so ya ba by that time it's already too late because mmolokile. So marazanga le di le suka le.
So Sydney ona sa bolaile ka gore ba motsentse ko policing ya funeral.
Azanga re bo jana re tsebile ka Sunday o rena o motsentshitse ko maphodiseng Charles no jotlo modela le suka so sanga motia.
As motho o tsebang se se Rachel, bophelo ba hae bo jwang, o tsamaya ka dikoloi tse jwang, ntlo ya gagwe e jwang, ke motho o nang le tšhelete o mo shebile?
Like o ka se mo naganele se se Rachel nna la mafelelo ke mmona kgale tsamaya ka Land Rover ke sa gopola kgale la gone so bo ka se mo naganele because na phela bophelo bo bonormal kwa ga de nna kutse bo ra ga ke kae ke tseba ga bo ko moletse ga bo mmae.
So o batla go bona go iragala eng ka case e go ya go pele?
Like nna ke re ntho ke feeling no because of something engwe sa nthareng botse even no I ke feel ore like nka no thoma ka ibolela se tshidere ke nyoko bona se se Rachel a ntshitse batho ka moka ba bola ile mbutakana le bona then a fetch maybe a re botse gore go tlile jwang gore ena no decide gore a bolaye motho go tlile jwang after that a phela le rena so and again maybe a re botse gore a botse gala re tshwaretseng because as a family a no a boneng selo ka mokana ile a bona o ka re robetse so wa ikushisha gore a re botse re utlile jwang yena o re o diegileng ka ena a shallana gana the whole family no go family go na le maphodisa o na le manese but case ka moka eno go mola ya rutu o rutlile jwang a no nkile maybe a bolelo ra ba sickne motho a ka se thaganele motho because se se Rachel o bile go sickne ka the same 2019 a thoma motlhokomela so ba re bile wa tlhokofala the same time.
Ga mo tlhokomela ka 2019 o mo tlhokomela as eng chomi ya hae girlfriend or
I be like gore be ke tla ruitse gore ke cause ko mathomong ga ba thoma tlhakana le ena 2019 ko mathomong be a re bolela gore nkile ya ba mokgotsinyana ga e be sa gola like a boyfriend wa bona so but ntho ga le mma ka gore ka 2019 ewe he ena bolela mantju after Polokwane yena o na le ngwana le sickne jwang because of sister Rachel Shati at the same 2019.
All right, thank you very much for your time. Well, Iman, that is one of the victims' sisters who is painting us a picture of how they met the accused and how she introduced herself to her family, understanding that they are a family that, doesn't have much. She came as a provider and as a caregiver to her brother, her late brother, who is living, or rather was living at that time, with, a disability. And as a family, they had confidence in her that she, will look after the brother. And, she comes with genuine intentions, considering the fact that she's also a police officer. We are told at this point that they are quite disappointed at yesterday's findings. In fact, after today's proceedings, they're not even sure how they are going to look at Rachel's children that they were also close to, because, at some point they felt like a family because Rachel was always available, for this family. She went as far bearing the brother, and really the family had trust in her because she came through whenever they needed the brother. She's saying that she feels like there are more people that need to come forward as to, how her brother died, because she says that, they were called that her brother's body has been discovered and it's at the mortuary, but they don't know how the brother actually died. At this point, we are yet to find out, how far this case is going to go and if there are any possible arrests that will be made by the police, understanding that police did mention that they are currently conducting their investigations and they are not ruling out any possible arrests moving forward. Back to you in studio.
Sure, Zola Sholwana, again, just really heartbreaking listening to that narration and some of the details that paint a broader picture about how these incidents and some of these relationships were built over time, which resulted in the deaths of their family members.